Let's discuss equipment design with a focus on cleanability. An important factor in maintaining food safety is ensuring that the equipment in the facility is properly designed, constructed, located, installed, operated, maintained, and clean. This means that all aspects of the equipment must support food safety and the prevention of hazards that could lead to injury or foodborne illness. There are 5 key qualities related to equipment and utensil design that help to promote food safety. 1. Durability and strength. 2. Cleanability. 3. Accuracy. 4. Functionality. And 5. Acceptability. Cleanability is a very important factor in equipment, utensil, and facility design for protecting food safety. The cleaning process helps to remove any food or processing residues that could potentially harbor microbial pathogens and lead to foodborne illness. Cleanability also relates to the durability, strength, and functionality of the equipment design. Here we see an employee beginning to reassemble an extruder after cleaning its parts. This equipment is durable, strong, and is easily disassembled and reassembled, which supports any deep cleaning that is necessary to remove residues from the equipment and its various surfaces. Likewise, the equipment must function properly so that it does not contaminate food and can be effectively cleaned. Equipment and utensils must also be installed properly in the facility so that all parts are accessible for cleaning. If the equipment is fixed, there should be adequate space under and around the equipment to clean effectively after each use unless it is sealed to the floor. Alternatively, like we see with a lot of the equipment here, some equipment is designed to be movable on wheels so that the floor and areas around the equipment can be easily and fully cleaned on a regular schedule.